guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a 70s inspired makeup look. I've pulled from the greats like Chaka Khan, Cher, Donna Summer, and Pam Grier. These women absolutely personify my concept of the 70s. They have some of the most iconic looks of that time, down to hair, wardrobe, makeup. Let's get into it. I'm going to go in with my Bobbi Brown foundation in the shade N90. And now I'm going to take my brush and blend in and get the spots that the sponge may have missed. And here we are with my NARS concealer in the shade Caramel. And now I'm going to go in the corners of my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and above my upper lip to neutralize any shadows and discoloration. Once everything's set, I go in with my concealer sponge and blend everything in. And then I take my blending brush and smooth everything into the foundation. Okay, now I'm going to take my bronzer by Fenty Beauty in the shade Truffle and do a light contour on my cheeks, around the hairline, and the bridge of my nose. So I have two brushes. I have a wider brush to get my cheekbones and then a more narrow brush for the bridge of my nose, just to keep those areas refined and that there's no bronzer anywhere that it shouldn't be. It's been a long, very long, terrible winter in New York City. Let's not talk about it.
Why are you so ashy?
Oops. And here I'm just using my fingers to further blend out my concealer and bronzer. And now I'm going to take my NARS matte lipstick in the shade Don't Stop, not on my lips, but on my cheeks to give my cheeks a nice color. And we're going to take my blending brush and really go into the cheekbones and make sure my foundation isn't overwhelmed by the bright color. And now we're going to take my foundation blending brush to smooth in that blush. So to truly embody the era of the 70s with all of the gloss and the glitter and the glam, I just want to give myself a glossy eye. So I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Parfait across my eyelids. Now I'm using my eyeshadow brush to blend the gloss across my eyelids. This brush is the smoothest brush of my collection, so I'm able to really get into the creases of my eyes and have a more refined application of the gloss. And now I'm going to take my Becca Glow Body Stick in the shade Champagne Pop on my nose, my cheekbones, my forehead, and my chin. It smells really good. It smells like cocoa butter. Just to have more of a glow, dewy look, I'm gonna add this highlight to intensify these areas more. You don't get to see me do my wing, but I will make sure I highlight that in my next tutorial.
Okay.
Now I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting palette to go ahead and add some more pop to the bridge of my nose, my cheeks, and my forehead and chin. So I'm going to go in with my NARS matte lipstick first. My upper lip is darker than my lower lip, so this helps neutralize the colors and allow for better application thereafter. Now I'm going to go in over it with the gloss. And then I'm going to take this darker color by Sleek Makeup to kind of warm the red and make it more complementary to my skin tone. Now I'm dipping into my highlighting palette just to add a bit more intensity in the corners of my eyes. And then I'm going to take my mascara by Lancome and just darken my lashes. I unfortunately do not have any false lashes at the moment. Well, at the moment of filming this, and I haven't been able to get lash extensions with everything being closed down. So this is my only alternative, but normally just considering the look of the 70s, oh man, big lashes were a thing. And now I'm gonna take my Up All Night setting spray by Urban Decay and set this baby so I can go ahead and move into my full look. And this is it, the final look. I feel like I really embodied the Donna Summer-esque, Pam Grier, Chaka Khan era. I'm really in love with how everything turned out. If you agree with me, please leave a like, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, share. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for more.